floss organizer using some inexpensive things that I found, a label maker, some binder rings, bags from Walmart, and a wooden spool holder that I use for my washi tape. So let's make that. I've been using my new Brother label maker that was 20 bucks at Sam's Club. Quite the deal. Okay, and free delivery. So I also got these binder rings, 2-inch from Amazon, and I am sorting according to color. So I used my label maker, printed the number, and then I don't have the official floss away bags. I'm just using these bags that I got like at Walmart. You can get 100 of them for like $2 something, and so I just, with my snips, I just cut a little, I just fold this like that, and then I make a little cut, and the ring fits in it. I mean, it's working for me. So, but as I get it all going, I hope it'll continue to work for me. So, everybody's got their own process, and this is going to be mine. Now, call me crazy, but I really like organizing things like this and putting things in order, so I'm kind of having a blast. Well, I finished putting all the labels on, and so this is an example of what it looked like in a project bag. So this one I've actually worked on, and then, but not very much, and so I've worked on the purple part, and the leftover thread I just wind around my finger and put it in there. Sometimes I will put one of those plastic bobbins in there, but not always. I just feel like they won't get tangled in the bag, so I kind of like that. And this one is using a lap frame from Hobby Lobby because it's black Ada and it's hard for me to see that, so I'm using a black lap frame to help me with that one. So I finished putting the labels on all these. Now for the next step, to hang them up. This is my idea for storing my embroidery floss. Right now I have washi tape on here, and it's actually, I think I got it at Joann's a long time ago, but it's for spools of thread. And it even has these legs that fold out so you can put it on a tabletop. But I'm going to put it right there. There's my nail work. I used those little hooks, so I think it'll stay there. And now I'm going to put my numbered and sorted flosses on the little pegs. I've got them all on their rings and all with the labels. Now these are only the flosses that are not already kitted up. And I have some fancy floss that's in a drawer, except for my Turkish red, because I didn't want these to get dusty. But at least they're not going to get dusty here because they're in the bags. So I think this will make kitting up a lot easier. Thanks for watching.